I have been using rosemary and thyme herbal hair tea on my natural hair for a long time now, but this time around, I decided to do something different. I added a special herbal ingredient, fenugreek, also known as tea. After wearing my mini braids for 3 months and taking them down, I noticed something that completely surprised me. Not only had my hair retained length, but it also looked so much fuller than before. Of course, I expected my hair to be longer because protective styling helps with length retention. But what I wasn't expecting was the increase in fullness and volume. My hair felt thicker, healthier, and I experienced less breakage throughout my 3-month mini braids journey. And you know I don't gatekeep, so once I saw the difference fenugreek made in my routine, I knew I had to share it with you. So come with me as I show you exactly how I make my rosemary, thyme, and fenugreek herbal hair tea. Hi Sparkles, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, we are using just 3 simple herbal ingredients. First, I added 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary is popularly used in hair care because it helps support a healthy scalp environment and improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can support healthy hair growth. Next, I added 1 tablespoon of thyme. Thyme is rich in antioxidants and is known for its cleansing and soothing properties. It helps support scalp health while complementing rosemary in promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. And finally, the star of today's video, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is rich in nutrients and is one of my favorite herbs for reducing breakage and shedding. It also helps improve sleep and moisture, leaving the hair feeling softer and more manageable. Combined with rosemary and thyme, it contributes to a fuller looking hair over time by helping you retain more of the hair that you grow. Honestly, I believe the combination of all 3 herbs is what made the biggest difference in my hair's fullness and overall health. Next, I pour in hot water and allow the herbs to steep for about 4 to 6 hours. I no longer steep my herbal tea for 24 hours because I found that 4 to 6 hours is enough time for the herbal compounds to infuse into the water. Please make sure to cover your container with a lid while it's steeping. This helps retain the beneficial volatile compounds from the herbs instead of allowing them to evaporate. Also, whenever you're trying something new on your scalp or hair, please remember to do a patch test first before adding it to your routine. After 4 to 6 hours, I strain the tea using a mesh strainer. And here we have it, our rosemary, thyme, and fenugreek hair tea is ready. I use this herbal tea as the liquid step in my LCO moisturizing routine and also during my wash days. Sometimes I even use it as my final rinse after washing my hair. One thing I've learned is that herbal hair teas or sprays tend to work faster than oils and creams because they are water based and come into direct contact with the scalp and hair. Oils and creams play a different role. They help seal in moisture, provide nourishment, and protect the hair from dryness and breakage. That's why I love using them together in my routine. For storage, I place mine in this container and keep it at the very back of my refrigerator where it's coldest, not on the fridge door. You can use either a glass or plastic airtight container. Whichever you have is completely fine. I usually store mine for 3 to 7 days, but I always try to use it as early as possible to ensure it's still fresh and potent. I use my herbal hair tea 2 to 3 times a week, leaving about 2 to 3 days in between each use. So, when can you expect to start seeing results? Within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use, you may notice that your hair feels softer and more moisturized with less shedding. Then, by 3 to 6 months, you may begin to notice more visible results, such as healthier looking hair, better moisture retention, more retained growth, and fuller looking hair due to reduced breakage and shedding. Just look at how thick and full my hair has become. I'm so happy with the results I've seen. Remember, herbs don't work overnight. This isn't a miracle hair growth regimen. Consistency is the key when it comes to healthy hair growth and fullness. So be patient and trust the process. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this herbal hair tea too I truly hope you get the healthy, long and fuller hair results you desire. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see my video whenever I upload. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye sparkles!